Want to clear your browsing history in Google Chrome quickly and keep your phone running smoothly? In this easy 2026 tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to delete browsing history in Google Chrome on Android devices. This method works on most modern smartphones and only takes a few seconds to complete. Open the Google Chrome browser on your phone. Once the browser opens, tap the three-dot More icon located in the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. From the menu, tap on Settings to open the Chrome settings page. Scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section, then tap on it to continue. Inside this menu, look for the Delete Browsing Data option and open it. Here you will see different types of data that can be removed from your phone, including browsing history, cookies, cached images, saved passwords, and site settings. Now choose the items you want to delete. If you only want to clear your browsing history, simply check that option. You can also select a time range such as last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time depending on your needs. After selecting everything, tap the Delete Data button at the bottom of the screen. Chrome may ask you to confirm your choice, so tap Delete again to proceed. That's it. Your browsing history is now deleted successfully, helping improve privacy and free up storage space on your phone. This quick tutorial is perfect for USA viewers looking for a fast, beginner-friendly Chrome privacy guide in 2026.